Good morning, friends. So good to see you. Thank you for joining me this morning. Can we start off with a good morning song? Room 2, we always did a good morning song with hugs and kisses. Are you ready? Put your hands on your head. Ready? Hands on your head. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. We're all in our places with sunshiny faces. And this is the way we start our new day. Mwah, 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 mwah. Okay, ready for hugs? Put your hands on your head. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. We're all in our places with sunshiny faces. And this is the way we start our new day. Hugs, 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 hugs. Good morning, friends. Okay, today we are going to make a special card. It's going to be for Mommy, okay? Because Mother's Day is coming up. So this card looks like this. See? I wrote, there's a heart in the middle, and then I cut out pieces of paper that I colored, and I glued them inside the heart. Okay, it says, I love you to pieces. Then I wrote Happy Mother's Day at the bottom, love Angelica. See? If you have, you can do this card like this, or you can fold your piece of paper in half, and then you'll need help drawing a heart in the middle, and then you can still glue your pieces on the inside. So it's up to you how you want to make your card. You can make it like this, fold your paper in here, or it could be one big one like this one. Want to try? Now, I did 2 different ones. I see for this one, I colored on a piece of paper because I didn't have any construction paper. But if you have construction paper with different colors, you can cut those out and you can glue it on. Or in this card, I don't know if you can see, if you look at it, I used marker on my paper, the color, and then I cut the pieces out. If you need help cutting, you could also tear your pieces of paper. I have a piece of like a magazine too, if you don't have any colored paper, and you can just rip a few of the pieces out so that you can glue those on too. That's actually how I did this one. I ripped the pieces up. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna do the big piece of paper. It's actually one color. If you need help, ask Mommy or Daddy to help you draw a heart in the middle, like this. Okay. Draw your heart in the middle. Have Mommy or Daddy help you. Okay, once you have your heart, then you can start working on the pieces. Now, let me see, do you guys have different colored paper? If you don't, we can color some now. Here. I'm gonna grab another sheet of paper like this, and you can get your markers or your crayons. It'll probably be easier if you use crayons or markers, because those you don't have to wait for those to dry to be able to cut them or tear them, okay? So we can start coloring on a different piece of paper. If you have construction paper and different colored paper, I have this one too. Like Henry, I see you have different colored papers. You can just start cutting your shapes out, okay? Start cutting different colors out, different shapes. See? Remember, you can tear your paper too. You don't have to use your scissors. It's really easy to tear like this. See? And then once you have your pieces of paper that you cut out, then you can get your glue. And you can glue them right inside the heart that you drew, like that. Okay. While you guys are working and gluing and cutting and coloring, I have a book that I want to read to you. It is a special book. This book is called I Love My Mom. Have you guys read that book? I Love My Mom by Anna Walker. Okay. My name is Ollie. I love my mom. When I say, Mom, what will we do? Mom says, let's try something new.
In the woods, and they've got like trails up here, it's like 5 miles.
We look and talk. We giggle and walk. Do you guys go on walks with Mommy? We see a duck and a dragonfly. Do you see it? We see orange fish swimming by. See the orange fish? We love to play with the butterflies. Look at that, so many butterflies. We love to hide and disguise. Are they hiding in the flowers? At home, we rest our tired feet and Mom gives me a special treat. What do you think she gave him? Maybe milk, maybe hot cocoa? I don't know. Mom says, is that a fish I see? No, Mom, it's me, Ollie B. But what I love best is my kiss goodnight. I love my mom. Sweet dreams, night, night. You see Mom? His mommy's watching him right before she goes to bed too. Nice. I love my mom. I like this book. All right, let's see. How are your cards looking? Chloe, you use tissue paper. I like that. I use crayons to draw this one, to do this one. Let's see. Now, the card you can make with the heart like this. Like I said earlier, you can make it like this, or you can grab your piece of paper and fold it in half and then just draw a heart on the inside, and you can glue your pieces of color there and have mommy or daddy help you write Happy Mother's Day, I love you to pieces. And remember, if you are having a hard time cutting the paper with the scissors, you can tear it like this. Cut the little pieces of paper, tear the pieces of paper like this, and you'll be able to glue them onto your heart. And if you don't have any colored paper, you can color on a white sheet of paper like this one to keep making new shapes. See, like that, like I use my blue crayon. Now I can just tear that piece off and glue it onto my heart like this. I'll show you. See? All right, let's see, friends. Jordan, let me. I see it, Jordan. Very nice. Good job, friends. Do you guys want to take a little break? Now, there is a song that my friends really enjoyed in room 2. I don't know if my room 2 friends remember it. Let's see. I think you guys know this song. Shark doo 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 doo, baby shark. Mommy shark doo 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 doo. Yay! We love that song. Hi, Isaac. We're making cards for Mom. Do you want to make a card for Mom? They look like this. See? I love you to pieces. Just draw a heart on the paper and then they can cut out different shapes and glue them on. Or you can fold your piece of paper in half, make a small card that opens up and then just draw the heart in the middle and they can glue there too. See? Can I see some of your cards? Daniela, you used a pink paper. I like it. Beautiful.
I put glitter and glue.
You put glitter on it?
Yeah.
I like glitter. What color glitter did you use?
I used pink glitter.
I love pink glitter too. You know what, friends? Your cards are looking very nice. Your mommy is going to love them. And you know what? You guys can make more of them because you can make them for your bubby, for your safta, for your abuela. You can give them to all the mommies that you know. You're going to love them. All right, friends, I have one more book I want to read to you while you're still working on your cards. It looks like you guys are working really hard. Do you know this book? This book is called My Mom is Magical. See the unicorn? So colorful. Okay, let's read. My mom is more amazing than a billion butterflies. You see? Ooh, my mom is more sparkly than a universe of stars. My mom is sweeter than a cloud of cotton candy. See? He's sitting on the cloud. Oh, my mom is sillier than a band of bananas. Bananas, what? See the bananas? They're in a marching band. My mom is stronger than a squad of superheroes. My mom is braver than a deep sea explorer. Ooh, my mom is stronger than a school of owls. Mommy, smart. Oh, my mom is cooler than a disco rock star. So cool. My mom is warmer than a million suns. My mom is cuddlier than a mountain yak. My mom is more magical than a million rainbows. Oh, look, and this is his mom. He said, kid, she said, kid, you're magical too. The end. Hope you liked the books, friends. You know what? Your cards are beautiful. I love them. Everyone used different colors on theirs. I love it. Now, you remember, you guys can keep working on them throughout the day and you can keep making more. Don't forget to tell your mommy you love her. When you give her your card, you say, I love you, Mommy. Happy Mother's Day. All right, friends. Don't forget, tomorrow we have Shabbat. And you know what? Tomorrow, there's going to be a special surprise. So make sure everyone comes to Shabbat. Mommies and daddies. Everyone should come to Shabbat. It's going to be very special, okay? We have a special surprise tomorrow. You don't want to miss it. All right, friends, should we sing a goodbye song? Okay, are you ready? Adi, 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 adios. Adi up high, adi down below. Adi from your ears way down onto your toes. Singing, adi, 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 adios. Good